Welcome to the SolarEdge Learning Lab. This video will guide you through replacing the digital board on our 3-phase inverters. Always ensure that the system is de-energized prior to working. To do so, turn the inverter on-off switch to the off position and allow the DC voltage to bleed down. Turn off the DC safety switch and then shut off your AC disconnect or AC breaker. Remove the communication board, as well as the wires that run to the LCD button, and pull straight out of the inverter. Set the assembly aside on a non-conductive surface. Next, remove the screws for the mounting brackets. Once complete, pull the digital board directly away from the inverter. Note that the screws are small and easily lost. Keep them in a safe place. Highly recommended to take pictures prior to removal. Remove the ribbon connector from the digital board. With the board removed, detach the brackets from the old digital board and install the brackets on the replacement digital board and install into the inverter. Next, replace the Phillips head screws and reinstall the ribbon connector. Once this process is complete, reinstall the original communication board by reversing the removal process. Align the communication board to the standoffs by lining up the holes for your Phillips head screws. Once boards have been replaced, put the top cover back on, repair your optimizer, and bring the system back into production, and verify production. Thanks for joining us on the SolarEdge Learning Lab.